Sanibonani Njani, welcome back to our YouTube channel, KZN Podcast, my channel, your channel, our channel, everybody's channel. Please make sure that you subscribe and you press like and you leave a comment and you do engage. Today we're speaking about Jacinta Zuma Ngobese Zuma, who is a presenter for Vuma FM. Vuma FM is based in KZN and Umhlanga, and Jacinta has been working for the radio station for the past 5 years, doing 9 to 12. Before that, she was working for Igagasi, and when they were being dissolved, she then joined Vuma FM. We know her for very abrupt topics and all of that. And recently she has been fired by the radio station, and she sent out a statement saying that her being fired on this radio station, she was not told the reason of why her contract has been terminated before the term. We all know abasakazi bavuselela amathema abo every year, but Jacinta kuvuke izolo kwathiwa sisi besicela ukuthi ugcina kumhla ka-31 walenyanga. Jacinta kube sebuza ukuthi kungani yini yenzile, kwase kuthiwa cha kunomuntu othile ofakele complaint le emsakazweni, ke sase decide ukuthi ke sikukhipha. Ayaqina amahemhem ukuthi MEC waKwaZulu Natal, MEC wakwa Health kwaZulu Natal noma Gugu Simelane Mngadi, ojola noVusi Mngadi, uyena ke oyebaqoqozela ukuthi kuxoshwe uJacinta ngoba uJacinta ongu number 1 ku March and March. Kunomkhankaso kuJacinta wawuvula ukuthi March and March olwisana nabantu bokufika kulelo ukuthi laba bokufika abangadokumentiwe ukuthi bangabi part of ama services South Africa. Kuthiwa ke emavikini ambalo kuye kwaba khona ukushayisana between ku department MEC yaka health kanye ne March and March, lapho inhlangano kaJacinta noma esingathi holo Jacinta ihambile yayovala emakliniki e-Eddington, ivalela bokufika bangaphandle, yabatshela ukuthi cha engathi namhlanje nihambe wrong, ngeke niwathola ama-services until South Africans get the services first. Kuye kwathi-ke ukuthi kwanjalo-ke kwangazi usuku MEC akayithandanga lo into ukuthi kuvalelwa abantu. Uthe kusa kanjalo-ke wakhipha istatement MEC wathi cha akashongo yena ukuthi akuvunyelwa abantu bangaphandle bangene clinic, kodwa bethi akufunakale indlela engungabambiswana ngakhona. South Africans wazange abeke happy ngalo nto. Kusolakala ukuthi ke leyo nkulumo leyo ke iyona ke le eyenza ukuthi ke uMEC ahamba eKwivuma FM abatshela ukuthi bona njengohulumeni obusayo noma ukhulumeni obusayo la KZN be-ANC, if bengaxoshwa uJacinta ngeke baphinde bafaka ama-adverts kulesa siteshi sakhona esincane, okusho ukuthi bazosafarisha ngoba yena uzosusa uxhaso lwakhe. Susike iVuma FM siyabe siyabona ukuthi cha ayinayo choice ke kunalokho ke ingamane iluze uJacinta kunokuthi iluze uxhaso lwe-ANC lokufaka ama-adverts. Baningi yasebephumele ubalaka abaholi baqinisekisa ngempela ukuthi cha impela uMEC yenzile lo into wamxosha uJacinta. Omunye wabaholi be-Action SA uzwakela imncwango ukuphumela obala impela wathi akafuni nje ukuthi ayelena le nto iyabonakala iyacaca ukuthi yenziwe uNomagugu ke usekhipha istatement ke ngaphansi kwedepartment yakhe, waphinde wa-deactivate ama-accounts, wasiyasho ukuthi cha ku-wrong okanye akukho right ukuthi bambhece ngobende inyama engayidlanga. Akukho lapho khona inekwazi ukuthi uhamba yongenelela kwisteshi watshela ukuthi abaxoshe umsebenzi wabo. Yasho ukuthi cha this dismissal has nothing to do with her. Maybe it was just a coincidence that and Jacinta had an alteration, and then after that Jacinta was fired or released. Khona manjalo uJacinta ke usenayo ukhipha statement washo wathi cha impela akazi lokho uxoshelwe ini, kodwa she wants to assure all South Africans that the foreigners that are here in South Africa illegally, they definitely gonna leave. And as she says, more than anything else, she's so happy with the fact that she's now released and she can do anything and anything she wants, and she's going to intensify the March in March movement so that she makes sure that South Africa is safe. Baningi yasebebanyeke bathi hayi Jacinta uthunywe iMK ngoba phela naku ushade nendoda lena uZuma eyakaZuma naye olunga le-MK ephinde ibe uZuma attorneys basho kanjalo ke abanye bathi ngisho ngabe kuthiwa ke uthunywe i-MK kwathiwani kodwa she's doing a good cause just ake naye lo mahemhem ukuthi le nhlangano funded by MK usewashilo wathi ayi umsangano nje amahemhem angayindawo because much started live on Facebook where she felt very frustrated for South Africans ukuthi they are not receiving what is due to them because of the illegal immigrants that are taking jobs and invading schools and invading public hospitals, because they believe that if you are here in South Africa, you're supposed to be able to uyofuna ama-services ngemali zakho. Anyway, thank you so much for pulling through and for listening. As then Jacinta is unemployed and she's looking for a job, but she says much goes.